Master Temper Dreams. I am Neha and today I am making the mother of all comfort foods, the queen of comfort food kingdom, Khichdi. In India, Khichdi is considered to be the solution to all of life's problems. It's been made and served since time immemorial. It's one of the most nutritious and simple meals on earth that also happens to be the most delicious. There are a million different ways of making khichdi and today I'm going to show you one of the ways I make it at home. Make sure to check out the list of ingredients in the description below.
To make our khichdi, first and foremost I'm going to take 1 cup of rice and add it into this bowl. Today I'm using Sona Masuri rice, but you can use any white rice of your choice. Next I'm going to add half a cup of split and skinned Moong dal on top of the rice. Now I'm going to give the dal and the rice a good mix. Now we'll wash the dal and the rice thoroughly at least 3 to 4 times. Then we'll drain the water, cover the bowl and set this aside for at least 20 to 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes, we'll start the cooking by adding a tablespoon of ghee into the pressure cooker. Then we'll add in about 2 tablespoons of oil. When the ghee and the oil become hot, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. As the mustard seeds begin to splutter, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next, I'm going to add about 2 to 3 pinches of Hing or Asafoetida and about 8 to 10 curry leaves. We'll give this tempering a quick stir and then add about 1 to 2 green chillies that are chopped and about a tablespoon of freshly pounded ginger garlic paste. We'll saute the ginger garlic paste till it loses its raw smell and starts browning. Then we'll add in a medium-sized onion that's finely chopped. We'll saute the onions and cook them till they become soft. And now we'll add in the powdered spices. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1.5 teaspoons of red chilli powder. We'll roast the spices with the onions for a few seconds and then add half a teaspoon of Garam Masala. We'll thoroughly mix in the Garam Masala and then add a big chopped tomato. We'll cook the tomatoes till they become soft and mushy. And now it's time to add in our washed dal and rice. We'll mix in the dal and rice thoroughly till everything is nicely coated. We'll also roast the dal and rice with the masala for about 30 seconds. And now we'll add in 4 cups of water. And next we are going to add in some salt to taste. It's very important to make sure that the water is properly seasoned, so taste and adjust the seasoning if required. Now we'll bring this to a simmer and pressure cook our khichdi for 3 whistles. Once the pressure releases, open the pressure cooker and mix the khichdi thoroughly. Just look at how yummy this khichdi looks. Now we'll garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves.
This khichdi is now ready to eat. You can enjoy it with a good helping of ghee. But I am going to take this khichdi to the next level by giving it an extra tadka.
For the second tadka, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee into my tempering pan. When the ghee becomes hot, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 to 3 pinches of Hing or Asafoetida and 1 dry red chilli. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and fry it till it starts browning. Perfect. Now I'm going to pour this tadka on top of our khichdi. Wow, this smells so good and just look at that sizzling tadka. We'll mix in the tadka into the khichdi and we are good to go.
Alright, time to dig in. Oh my god, this is delicious. Do give this humble khichdi a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Mustard Temper Dreams. See you next week. Bye.